Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. And today I'm going to make a popular North Indian rice and meat dish. It's called biryani. It's really easy. Some people think it's really hard, but I'm going to show you an easy way of making it. You must have heard of biryani. There are two kinds of biryani. In Hyderabad, which is in South India, they make really spicy biryani. But in North India, where I come from, they make mild kind of biryani. So today I'm going to make the mild version of biryani. It's really popular in New Delhi and Lucknow. For biryani, we need two main ingredients. Here I have half a pound of goat meat and a cup of long grain basmati rice. In addition of rice and meat, we need 1/4 of onion, chopped thinly sliced, a dried bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, 2 black cardamom, and about 6 green cardamom, and a cup of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger, and 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I have soaked saffron in like a teaspoon of water. The first step is to fry the onions in my oil. It has to be golden brown. This is the color which I would like for the onions. They are done. Now I'm going to put my meat on it. I have meat in it, ginger, and I'm going to put my garlic in it. And I'm going to fry the meat, and a teaspoon of salt will go into, and all my garam masala, the whole spices, I'm going to throw it in. And now I have to fry my meat. So the smell of the meat vaporizes and you can smell the great aroma of whole spices. I wish you could smell it. It smells awesome. And now I'm going to put the yogurt in it too. There you go. And I'm going to cook the yogurt down. It has to be totally evaporated and the meat should be dry. So now you can see the oil has separated, and this is the sign that your meat is totally ready for the next step. And here is a cup of water, and I'm going to close the pressure cooker and cook till the meat is done. While my meat is cooking, I'm going to boil my rice. So as you can see, I have a pot full of boiling water, and I'm going to throw in 2 cloves, and I'm going to get my rice. Here's my rice now. You have to be very careful. The water is really hot. You might hurt yourself. Salt. Now once I get a full boil, then I'm going to take my pot, turn off the heat, take my pot and drain my rice. Here it goes. The water is boiling, and now I'm going to turn off the pot and drain the rice. So here's the rice which I've cooked, drained, and the water is out totally, it's dried, and it's slightly al dente. And now I'm going to show you how to plate this in my dish. So I'm going to take the spoon and I'm going to make a layer of rice down here. A little bit of my saffron. And then I'll put my meat in, and then I'll put rest of the rice on. So after 35 minutes, my meat is cooked. All the water has evaporated, and this is how it should look. It smells awesome. I wish you could smell it. It's great. Now I'm going to transfer this cooked meat on the bed of rice. So here it goes. Now I'm going to put rest of the rice on top of it. You put a little bit of saffron mixture on top. Already what I'm going to do now is I have preheated my toaster oven, and since the rice is not cooked, I'm going to cook this rice in the toaster oven for like 30 minutes, and the temperature setting will be like 200. So the rice and the meat mixture will get mixed, and they'll all be very happy. This is all ready to go in the oven now. I'm sitting in oven for 30 minutes now. So let's see the final product. I'm going to open it. Here, there you go. It is my biryani. Look at it. It smells great. It looks great. And let me taste it. I'm sure it's gonna taste great. Amazing. I wish you could taste it. So this is the final product, biryani, and I hope your family likes it, and I'm sure your kids will enjoy it because it's mildly spicy, not a whole lot spicy. So take care, and I'll see you next time.